Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. This Silverado is featured in a black paint finish and is the LTZ trim. It includes our Midnight as well as Z71 package with a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8 engine and an Allison automatic transmission paired to a four-wheel drive system. Inside the vehicle we have seating for 5 on a jet black seating surface with heated and cooled front seats. We have a trailer tow package with an integrated brake controller, a powered sunroof, all-terrain tires with black alloy wheels, a black assist step, and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, above our chrome finish door handle, we have our power mirror or our power driver seat memory. Below we have power mirrors with fold function and trailer mirrors, power locks, power windows, and our child safety and rear window lock. Some storage in the back of the door as well as the bottom with our Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle, just to the left of the steering wheel, we have our integrated trailer brake controller, transfer case settings, as well as all of our lighting controls. Power driver seat finished in our jet black leather. Some audio controls on the back of the steering wheel. Getting into the vehicle and looking above the steering wheel, we have our Z71 display cluster. In the center, we have our information system. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise on the outside, forward collision alert, as well as heated steering wheel. Audio controls in behind. On the right-hand side, we have our voice recognition, hands-free, our display cluster information system settings, and more audio controls on the back of the steering wheel. Moving to the middle, we can see our infotainment system. If we go into audio, we have AM, FM, as well as our Bluetooth media and our CD player across the bottom. Phone connection as well as phone projection. GPS navigation. Our settings, text, OnStar, and traffic on the first page. Second page has apps and My Chevrolet. If we put the vehicle in reverse, we have our backup camera. We do have rear park assist, volume control, radio media, home, back, and our eject as seek in the bottom. Menu controls if we don't want to be using our touchscreen all the time. Then on either side of our dual zone climate, we have our cooled and heated seat back and seat cushion for the driver and the passenger on the opposite side. Dual zone climate across the middle with front and rear defrost, AC, auto mode, as well as sync, fan control in the center, and our temperature on either side. Then below we have our power adjustable pedals, traction control, our high beam bed lighting, parking sensors, lane departure warning, downhill assist, and our diesel exhaust brake. Across the bottom we have various power from left to right, 2 USBs, 2 12 volts, and a 120 volt plug. We can see we can cover them all up and keep them hidden. Some storage space at the front for phones and deep storage behind. 2 cup holders, center console, leather finished, with a wireless charging pad up top. Inside, deep storage, 12 volt plug, as well as 2 USBs and an aux on the passenger side. Moving to the passenger seat, it is heated, vented, powered, and a leather finish for our passenger. Bottom of the rearview mirror, we have our OnStar settings. Moving above the rearview mirror, dome lighting controls on either side as well as at the front. Universal garage door opener with 3 settings. Tilt sliding sunroof, power sliding third rear window, a sunglass holder in the front. Then lastly, we have our sunroof in the front of the vehicle, power sliding rear window in the back. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, hood of the vehicle, we have a 3M protective film, as well as our Allison and Duramax badging in chrome. Moving to the front tire and rim, we have our black alloy rim with a black Chevrolet bow tie center cap and our all-terrain tire. Z71 badging on the front door. We have our trailer tow mirrors with black caps, as well as our black assist step and paint match door handles. On the back of the vehicle, our corner bumper steps. All the way around at the back, we have our black badging, as well as Silverado and LTZ badging in chrome. Trailer tow hitch with our connectors at the bottom. Easy lift and lower tailgate with our backup camera. In the bed of the truck, we have cable tie-downs in the front and the back, as well as a spray-on bed liner. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power window control, some storage with a cup holder at the top, as well as more storage and a Bose speaker in the bottom. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. We have some storage in the center, as well as our 12-volt plug. Moving to the second row seats, we have a 60/40 fold-up bench finished in jet black leather. In the center seat, we have our 2 cup holders and a folding console. Power sliding third rear window. To lift up these seats, we can simply lift up on the bottom. Can make some additional storage, and we also have all-weather mats. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walkaround of the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.